Okay, so hello, good afternoon. Okay. Okay, so we want to discuss today the module 4 now, of the economic development. Okay, so in the previous first, second, and third module, we have discussed the fundamentals, no? The basics of some of the theories and fundamentals ng economics. Right? So in this module, we're going to on the next modules, the module 4, 5, and 6, we are going to discuss more on the financial market. Okay, so on this module 4, so it is entitled How Businesses Work. So ano ba lang aral sa businesses, no? So ano ba lang ang aral sa business, ano ba lang ang function, no? Sa business, and ano yung mga parang content na yung business. So the nature of the business, so may kita tatlo ka component, basic component ng mga businesses. So, first is the output. No? The output is the business goods and services it sells from the customer. Muna niya siya ang parang end product, end products ng mga businesses, and amo niya nila baligya nila sa ilang customers. So the second is will be the inputs, no? Or this is the goods and services that is being used, no, by the business to produce the outputs, and the production or the process of turning inputs into the outputs. So now in a, in a manufacturing set, okay, so the output will be the final product, no, again produced some factory. The inputs will be the raw materials it's being used by the factory, and the production will be the process, no? Ang process of producing the output. Like kung ano ng mga machine, ang process ng machine sa sulod, no? Parang nila siya. Right? So next, what's up the flow of money? So in a market economy, a business does not simply produce outputs using the inputs, no? Ang mga inputs, ang mga raw materials, wala na siya basta-basta nga ginapangayo. So of course, the factory or the business shall buy, no, or will buy that inputs, that raw materials, to produce the outputs. It also collects and spends money, collects a customer and spends on buying those raw materials. The revenue, no, bala na balaan yun is accounting. Revenue is the money na a business receives from the sales of its output to customers. The cost, ang gasto, no, to create and to gather the revenue. No? It is what the business pays for its inputs. And the profit, of course, is the difference between the revenues and the cost, or the net or the bottom line. No? Especially sa atong financial statement, ang net income, muna na siya ang parang net profit of the business. So next is the profit maximization. So for better words, the main objective of any business in a market economy is profit maximization. Just like sa management science na, di ba? In a decision, no, sa business, mas prefer sa mga businesses ang options that can generate a higher income or a higher yield. So ang ginaya sa business ka, main point mo, ang main purpose mo is of course to create a profit. So that is the people running a business want to operate in a way, no, that yields the largest difference between the revenue and the costs. So ano ba lang sa production? Right? So on the production, yara ginatawag na inputs, no? Well, and ang inputs, pwede na siyang makategorize into 5. The labor, the capital, the land, the intermediate inputs, and the business know-how. Ano ba lang siya? Ang labor, of course, sa term niya pa lang ang labor, it refers to the manpower, ang human resource of the business, to produce the goods and services, or to parang ano na siya ang obra. For example, sa factory, sila na ang mga ga-obra sa sulod sa factory. So it refers to the input supplied by various types of workers, that enable a business to function. So you can measure labor inputs either by the number of workers employed or ang total numbers worked. So the next will be the capital. ang kapital ng ginamit niya is ang PPE, the property, plant, and equipment. So another input to most productive activities, the need for all along physical equipment, the software, the sa mga intangible assets, no? Intangible and tangible assets. And structures a business use in its production process. Like it's machineries, equipment, sinabi no. The third one will be the land. Ang land, ang luta. No? It is very crucial no, sa business, especially in the production one, ang luta. Kasi ang sa land, no, pinapatindog ang factory, ang buildings, no, ang mga structures. So kung wala yun na, so din ikaw mapatindog sa mga buildings. No? Another will be the intermediate inputs. No? When you say intermediate inputs, these are expenses or ang costs, no? Na ang ginagamit sa production maliban no? sa raw materials like the utilities, no? Pinaka-example dito di ang mga utilities, no? Like the electricity, the water, telephone services, no? Mga sa example sa intermediate inputs. And lastly, which is the most important one, pero underappreciated siya and parang hindi siya na-realize, no? It's the business know-how. No? It's very important. Excuse me. It's very important, when you are starting a business or you are building a business, no? And you must know, or it is a must, to know ano ba ang business mo, how your business operates, what are the products and goods and services you offer, no? And parang the quality of the product, dapat balaan mo, especially sa manufacturing, dapat balaan mo ang iyong mga product. Okay, so it includes all the knowledge, technology necessary for the production process. For example, sa isa ka automated, or gabaligya sila yan, no? Kinanglan, sabali ikaw mag-design or you must have a parang idea or the general idea on how to design, to build, no, into market price. Kasi mas gano'n ka kamayad mag-ubra sa lakyan, no? If hindi ikaw kabalo mag-market, hindi ka dapat mag-profit, no? Hindi ikaw kabalo mag-market. Same with if kabalo ka mag-market, so wala ka sa products na gina-offer, no? So useless ng Japon, no? Yung pagiging sa marketing. Okay? So, siya. So that includes knowledge of everything from how internal combustion engines work to the systems that you can encounter on the highway. Okay? And the next thing will be the production function. No? A production function tells you, given the inputs, what the output is going to be impressed. Now, before you produce, no, before you have the output, it's very crucial. It is very needed na nabalaan mo kung ano ang imo magiging output. Okay, kaya kung hindi mo siya maplanuhan, hindi mo siya kabalo, no, sa ang magiging output mo, how will you sell it? Ano pa ang purpose na produce daw sila, no, na output. So, next is the marginal product of labor. So, the marginal product of labor, the production function, important piece of information. So, first, how much output the business can produce given its inputs. So, but the production function also answers another question. If the business expands by adding more workers or having them work more hours, how much does its output increase? Okay, so very much allows marginal product of labor. No, it is the extra amount of output the firm can generate by adding one more hour of labor or one more worker. For example, you are operating at a normal level, no? You are producing at a normal capacity ng iyong mga production, sa iyong mga factory. Now, there are times, no, there will be scenarios na ang demand of your product, no, will boom or magaganda ko. So, if ikaw, hindi mo balaan how to handle that, no, there is a possibility na magka-loss ka, no? So, it's very important na balaan mo ang marginal product of labor because it will tells you how much output your production, your factory can have if you will add more laborer on your production or you add more working hours for your existing laborer. It's very crucial na balaan mo para hindi ka mag-generate loss or hindi ma-maximize mo ang profit na ma-produce mo. Okay? So next will be the cost. No? Ano ang mga examples ng cost? So the cost of labor, of course, no? First is the cost of labor, yung mga salaries na pagbabayaran, no, sa imong mga workers o sa imong mga laborers. Right? The next one will be the cost of capital in the land or in investor on buying or renting your equipment. Okay? It's very important also na you can parang na maka-cost benefit analysis ka if you will buy, no, or you will rent your equipment or asset. Because in buying, no, may mga pros and cons mo na. The same with if you will rent lang. No? Kaya may yan, dako in mag-generate income if rentahan mo lang rather than mabakal ka din. Okay? Mga seasonal yata ang product mo. For example, sa mga seasonal na product and it needs hindi naman whole year, no? Na usage ng sa equipment. So, much better na mag-rent ka na lang rather than buying it. Okay? The next will be the cost of intermediate inputs. Of course, your payment, no? Sa mga utilities, right? The next will be the cost of accumulated business know-how. So any outlays that increases a company's knowledge and capabilities are part of the cost of accumulating business know-how. Now, this includes the cost of setting up scientific laboratories, no, additional research offices, no, mga marketing studies. It also nabilong di ang mga training, seminars sa mga tao, no, because it's very important na we're updated, no, as technology is very fast ang pag-increase niya o ang pag-develop niya. So it's very important na ito so updated na. So next one, the variable cost and the fixed cost. So you encounter this mostly sa inyong cost accounting, inyong cost accounting na subject. And sa MAS, Management Advisory Services or Management Accounting, you encounter many problems, mga topics that involves variable cost and fixed cost. So, ano ba ang variable cost and fixed cost? Ang variable cost, these are the costs na nag-vary if you have production or not, if you will produce or not. For example, so ang cost ng raw materials, ang mga direct and indirect costs, are sa variable cost. While the fixed costs are those costs na whether may production ka or wala, you will need to spend for that, kasi as its nature na fixed cost, mabudlay na siya parang dulaon or i-erase na for production. Kasi yan mga salaries ng inyong mga office employees, dahil nga sa mga rentals mo, depreciation, these are part sa ginatawag na fixed costs. And lastly, will be the revenue. Ang revenue, of course, ang net profit yan. So revenue is the amount of money companies get from selling their product and services. In the simplest case, a business sells one only product, a fixed price. Then the revenue is equal to the number of units sold times the price per unit. Okay, so yan ako di activity, naging butang, answer that, and I will collect that if ma-announce ka nito, kung makulit. And if may questions or clarifications, just message or PM sa atong GC para ma-answer natin and ma-address natin. So thank you for listening and have a nice day.